Hey guys, first of all, welcome to PyTroops family. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to set up GitHub account and then connect it to your PC. So let's get started. So let's start with creating GitHub account. You all need to create a GitHub account. You can easily sign up to that at github.com. Plus, I will be providing all links in descriptions, the websites I am using in this tutorial or the softwares and source code also. After creating GitHub account, the most important thing is to install Git. Simply you can go to the link and install it. I will provide this link in description also. As you can see, different bits are here. You can easily install it as your PC requirement. As my requirement is 64-bit. So yeah, I'm installing it. Let's see. After downloading Git, you just simply click on setup file and install it on default settings like me. So after installing it, just go to desktop and check for these two options, Git bash here and the second one. So after that, just go to your GitHub account and like that, click on your profile and then go to repositories and create a new repository. Like click on it and just give a name here. Like I am giving testing repo and give a description also. Basically description is a thing to describe your repository briefly, so the another developer can get an idea what this repository is about. So description could be anything like management system or data science program. Like I am typing here, this is for tutorial, that's simply description. So here go down and you can also see this readme. I am not checking it because I don't want to create it. So let's create repository simply. As you all can see, repository is created and these all are the basic commands. So let's go to desktop and create a folder like I am creating. You can name it anything, like I named it as test, so I can find the name right now. So let's create a new file and type something in it, like I'm typing my name is Rahil. So after that, save it by Ctrl S. So yeah, it's obvious if you are working professionally, so you will create Python file, HTML file like developers do, and yeah, we are testing it on txt file. So this is the guide that I am following. I will also give it in the description. So let's move forward and go to the folder that we created, like, and right click it, open git bash here, terminal, and type our first command, git init. Let's hit enter. Basically git init command initializes git in a folder, or you can say repository it also. So let's see another command, git status, and just hit enter. Git status tells us the present status or a folder or repository, like what we have done in the folder or repository. So it just navigates us, like it is navigating us that a new file is created in the folder. We have to move it to next stage, then commit it. Basically Git works in a staging process. Let me elaborate that. So at first we have working directory in which we modify or add files. like we just did or created a text file, so it is in our working directory. At second, we have staging area. We can move our files there by using git add command. As third step, we just saved our changes by git commit command. You can understand it as first, second and third stage. Like first we created or updated files in the working directory, then we moved them to staging area, then we just saved our changes and we are ready to move our code from Git to GitHub. So our first command was git init, second was git status, the third command is git add. And git add can be used with two methods. You can use particular file name like hello to git.txt. Like if you want to move only one file to staging area, you can easily go with it. But if you want to add more than one file, like I am creating another file here. So now first check git add dot command. Basically git add dot command merge your all files and then move your all files to staging area at the same time. So let's check git status command. As you can see, our all files are shifted to staging area. So finally we can use git commit command. So git commit command is git commit -m version initial. Version initial is only a comment. Let's take an example. You are working for an organization and you have to give some comment so other developers can see what changes you have done in the code. So comment is just for explaining your code purpose. So let's check it. After that we have to do a quick setup. This setup is to connect our PC to our GitHub account. So this is the another command, git log, which tells you about changes done on the repository. So as you can see my name and my email here, and it is also showing date and time at which I did changes in the repository. To add name and email, we have to add these two commands. First one is git config -- global user.name and your name. So as I already ran it, so I am not running it right now. You guys have to run it in your PC. So after that we have the second command, which is git config the same user.email, and you just have to replace your name to your email address. This email address is your GitHub account email address. So after running these two commands, go to your repository page and you can simply see these all commands and this one also, and you have to add this command and paste it into your terminal, git bash terminal, and hit enter. So after git remote command we have to set up SSH key, which is also a simple procedure. So let's have a look at that. So after that, just go to your GitHub account and click here and go to settings. After that you just go here SSH and blah blah key, and like you can see I already added these keys, but you have to add a key into your account. So let's go here and select this option here, the third one. So let's copy first command, which is this, and paste it to your git bash terminal. type your email here. After that, go to the same page and copy this command here and also paste it to the Git bash terminal and hit enter, and then copy the another command, which is the third command. Just copy paste it and hit enter. Now you have to go to that page and select this option and run this command on Git bash terminal. So basically it will automatically copy your key into clipboard. Now just go to the key page where we have to add new SSH key, like click here, and after that assign any name or title, like I am assigning, and paste your key here, which is automatically copied, and press this button, which will add the SSH key to your GitHub account. Now just go to Git bash terminal and create a new file just for the satisfaction, like type anything and then git status. As you can see, we did change the file or the folder and added new file. Now run git add command, git add dot, and enter. After that, git commit, git commit -m and any comment. So as I added a new file, so I am mentioning it here. So now we are able to push our code to our GitHub account finally. So the command is git push -u origin master. Basically master is our main branch, or you can say folder. We are saving all our data. So as we about to push our data, so yes, as you can see, the data is successfully pushed to our GitHub account. Now let's check it. As you can see, we got our data here, like all the files that we created there. As you can see, all the content is here, like my name is Rahil, and the second one, hey there. So I'm going to change something in this file, and after that I'm gonna repeat the same process, git add dot and then git commit, git commit -m and version comment, and let's push it, git push -u origin master. So let's hit enter. So as you can see, I added this text here, so this should be there too. So now let's check it by refreshing it. As we can see, data is pushed to our GitHub account successfully, so our GitHub account is connected to our PC. So guys, this was the first tutorial of our GitHub series. There will be one more video on this topic related to branching. We really hope you guys have learned how to set up GitHub account, and if you are facing any problem, you can directly approach us on Facebook, Instagram, or you can comment down your queries. With that, don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube, and you can easily like our Instagram and Facebook page. We will be posting regularly, so stay tuned and be productive.